Yo, what's up, guys?
Guys, yo,
And then we're playing. What is it again?
chain together,
Chained
bro.
up.
Chain together, bro. Okay, bro.
Bro, go.
Go.
Hey, bro, go faster. Bro. Bro.
What?
Get to the checkpoint. This thing's so laggy.
Yeah, bro.
Wait, configure. Bro, I said wait.
Bro, what you do, bro? Wait for me, bro. Wait.
Wait for me. Go.
Okay, let's go, bro. Let's go.
And
Okay,
bro, let's go here.
Oh no.
Bro, if John Drake will already fall down.
Bro.
Bro, help me.
Yeah, bro. I'm helping you, bro.
Okay. Go.
Go.
No!
Go. Yo.
The ads! Bro, it's because of the ads. Nah, bro, wanna play That's Nothing with ads?
Huh?
Wanna play without ads?
Alright, bro. Wait. Actually, let's play this one. Wait. Hold on, let me look for it. How about actually, bro? Let me join it.
Bro.
I'm sorry though, but yo, subscribe. Yeah, that failed a while ago, so I'm gonna play this game instead. So yeah, say it again. Say that again. Anyway, me and you, Rich, are playing whatever this game is. Drive together, whatever. Actually, I don't know. Maybe the hero. Oh, what?
Bro, it's so bad now.
Let's go. Bro, wanna just play translate? If we die, let's play translate.
Bro.
Oh no! Hey, yo!
Go back!
Ayan!
Go back!
Bro! Do we try again or different game?
Go, go!
Bro, you reach! No! Why'd you left? Why'd you steer left? Bro, just tell me when to stop. Okay, bro, in the snowland, bro. play a different game? Different game? Bro? Can we play a different game? Hello? Bro, should we play a different game? Okay then. Hey bro,
Bro,
join me.
wait.
Huh?
Na bro, yun natin. Oh,
Bro, what should we play then, bro?
one kick.
What?
Na bro, let's do this.
What?
Yeah, two-player tycoon.
Alright, fine. Let's go.
Yeah,
Yo, Cashier 14, Ulrich Clyde, my classmate. Let's go. Oh.
bro, join.
Okay, bro, I'm joining.
Yo, free.
Okay, bro, where are you? Where you at, bro? Where you at?
Bro, oh yeah, I see you in there.
Um,
Bro,
I'm actually
na bro,
lying.
where are you?
Oh no.
Na bro, go to the ano. Go to, go to ano. I don't know.
Wait, let me just look for you. Let me look for you. Oh,
Go,
I see you. I see you. I see you.
go middle.
I see you. I see you.
Bro, go here. Going there. Bro, come here. Oh, bro,
Oh,
we're going. We're going here.
okay, bro. Bro, I'm just lagging. I don't know why. What? Huh?
Supervisor.
Alright.
Supervisor. It's just
Bro, why am I lagging so much, bro? I'm so lagging, bro.
kidding.
I'm lagging, bro. Am I lagging?
It's lagging.
Bro. Okay, bro. Oh no,
Bro,
bro. I think you're lagging, bro. I think you're lagging.
I'm not lagging.
Bro, I can see your character, your whatever. Okay, bro.
Now, and then we end this video. Okay, guys. We are gonna play this game for no reason.
Yeah, bro. We have no games
Because,
to play.
but,
No games to play, bro. So instead, we're gonna play this.
get weapons.
Huh?
If we get the weapons, wanna raid.
Oh, yeah, bro. Sure. Bro, we don't even have shelter yet, bro.
Bro, I got you.
Bro, the sound effects are so classic, bro.
No. We don't even have shelter. We need some walls.
Yeah, bro.
So I'll buy you. Well, I'm engineer.
Oh no, bro, who's that? Bro, he's invading us.
Bro, it's good.
Nah, bro, he's invading us, bro.
Bro, I already got this.
Okay, bro. Wow.
Let's Reaper.
What? That's it, bro.
Yo, you can get it, bro. Bro, why did you cover me?
I don't know.
Bro, try third floor. Because this game is a little bit, you know.
I don't know.
But
What?
bro, you forgot this. Okay,
Yo, Pet Reaper, let's go. I got a Pet
bro, you
Reaper.
forgot.
Huh?
You got a blue jeep.
I know the OG. Oh no, bro. What is that driving, bro? Bro, nice parking, bro.
Nah, bro, I'm gonna.
What?
And then get my pet Reaper,
Bro, what
bro.
is this tycoon in real life, bro?
Bro, come here.
What?
Come here, bro. I'm gonna do something.
What?
Follow me.
Alright then.
Look at this. I forgot.
Oh, okay.
That too.
Bro, wait, I'm still getting money, bro.
Yo,
I think I'm about to run out of storage, so I'm just gonna. I think I'm just gonna end the video right here. So yeah.